We're excited to announce our return after the success of our first Kickstarter project. We are delighted to introduce our latest project, the Alpargali Puffer. Designed to redefine cold weather gear, the Alpargali Puffer combines cutting-edge NASA-inspired technology with premium materials to offer unmatched warmth and functionality. With its unique 4-layer insulation system, it can withstand temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Let's get into the most innovative technology behind this jacket. The front panel incorporates a 1mm layer of aerogel, the world's lightest solid, which is made up of 99% air and known for its superior insulating properties. Its exceptional insulating properties are the result of a unique porous structure that efficiently prevents heat transfer. In extreme conditions, it effectively reduces heat loss, which provides warmth even in the worst weather. The center back panel features a 100% graphene layer, the strongest material, which regulates heat as well as moisture. Graphene uses far-infrared technology that reflects your body heat back to you. Moreover, it minimizes static electricity, providing all-day comfort. And yes, it still performs well even in damp conditions. At the core of the jacket lies Sorona, a sustainable and environmentally friendly insulating material. Its innovative 3D spiral structure traps warm air and acts as a thermal buffer that continuously generates and retains heat. Combined with the other advanced materials, the Alpargali Puffer provides more warmth than a jacket filled with 300 grams of 90-10 goose down. The outer layer is made of a Teflon-coated shell with 10K waterproofing, which offers superior protection against rain, wind, and snow. Whether you're commuting in the city or hiking in the great outdoors, the Alpargali Puffer is your ultimate companion in unpredictable weather. The Alpargali Puffer features 9 intelligently designed pockets to help you stay organized. The upper arm pocket keeps small items close at hand, while the sleeve transit card pocket offers quick access to the transit card, with dedicated storage for passport, camera, wallet, gloves, and even an iPad. Everything has its place. Every detail of the Alpargali Puffer is designed for maximum performance. Underarm mesh ventilation improves airflow for added comfort. Fleece-lined collars provide superior insulation for the neck and mouth. Durable YKK zippers, Velcro adjustable and integrated glove cuffs provide a snug fit and wind protection. We also offer a lightweight layering jacket and a versatile vest to complement the Alpargali Puffer. They are available in both classic black and sandstorm. The Alpargali Puffer is designed for the fearless. It embraces the cold, conquers the elements, and pushes the limits. Join us on Kickstarter and be part of a revolution in cold weather gear. Get ready to face winter head-on and redefine your outdoor adventures with the Alpargali Puffer.